Also, it is within the power of all deliberative bodies to abolish, modify, or waive their own rules of procedure adopted for the orderly conduct of business and as a security against hasty action. Di ba? Di ba, Onse? Parang sinasabi niyang free for all. If you will abolish, you have a process. If you have to modify, you have a process. If you have to waive, there is a process. In abolition, modification, and waiver, the rules provide for it. Every day, bago ang rules. Di ba? Meron yan. Ganun na mangyayari. So, yung Senate rules, you reduce it to a mere parliamentary rule. Yung Senate rules, ha? He reduced it to a mere parliamentary rule citing a 1960 case. So, ibig sabihin, mga kabatas natin, pwede pala nating i-disregard lahat according to sa sinasabi niya.